This is BirdNote. Many people take an interest in birds as they get older, but others start very early, like this young BirdNote listener, Ben Bradmon.
Hi, my name is Ben. I am 8 years old, and I like to watch birds. I like watching their behavior, and I think their sounds are relaxing. I'm trying to learn to identify their calls. I have a favorite bird, Tufted Titmouse. I think they're cute. We have a lot of woodpeckers. Red-bellied, mostly red-bellied. They really like one of our white pines.
And Ben is deepening his knowledge of birds by sketching them.
I've been trying to draw birds and nature in a notebook. I look at the birds a lot, so it makes you learn more. I drew the red-bellied woodpecker on a tree. It's standing on a tree, and it's about to peck. I think it's fun drawing the habitats, too.
Find out more about how you can start learning your local birds on our website, birdnote.org. I'm Jonice Franklin.